It's almost summertime, which means it's almost time for cookouts and barbecues. While we might want to share a little bit of whatever we're grilling up with our dogs, there are a few things that we should avoid feeding our dogs from a cookout. I'm Ashley, I'm a registered veterinary nurse, and these are the top 5 things that we want to avoid giving our dogs at the cookout. The first thing that we want to avoid is corn cobs. The corn cobs can get stuck in our dog's stomach or intestines and cause a potentially life-threatening blockage. In these cases, surgical intervention is needed to remove the corn cob from the dog's GI tract. Your dog can have some unseasoned corn, but skip the cob. The next thing that we want to avoid is bones, especially chicken and pork bones, as they tend to splinter and can damage the GI tract. These bones also pose the risk of getting stuck in your dog's GI tract and needing surgical removal. If you're cooking meat with bones, make sure all bones are thrown away into a trash can that your dog cannot get into. The third thing that we want to avoid is pork products. Pork tends to be higher in fat and isn't easily digestible for dogs. It can really wreak havoc on their GI tracts and even cause pancreatitis. The next thing we want to avoid giving our dogs is onions and garlic. Along with causing GI upset, ingestion of onions and garlic damages our dog's red blood cells. Ingestion of large amounts of garlic and onions can also cause increased heart rate, elevated respiratory rate, weakness, discolored urine, kidney damage, collapse, and can be fatal if left untreated. Lastly, if there's fruit salad at your cookout, avoid giving your dog any grapes or raisins. Ingesting even a small amount of grapes or raisins can cause acute kidney failure in dogs. Instead, give your dog a piece of seedless watermelon, cantaloupe, strawberries, or blueberries. If you want to know more about what foods you can feed your dog at the cookout, our team of registered veterinary nurses is here to help guide you in the right direction.